What's going on, guys? Romer the Roamer here. I'm out on my porch. Just took a 2-hour long nap. Drinking some espresso, baby. I just got a DM about road tripping tips for sourcing at the same time. Now, the thing about doing a road trip is you got to ship that shit out. So figure out a system to do that. I've adapted. I'll just put it that way. I've gone from being that guy that totes in books into Starbucks and ships them out to the guy that would do it in the parking lot, to the guy that would scan them in a spreadsheet, take them into Starbucks, copy and paste them in an Excel list. And now I just scan them in a spreadsheet, send them to my virtual assistant. She makes a shipment. I never have to take them out of my car. So I've adapted over time. So once you get a system in place to ship the books out, just so you guys know, Starbucks always has the fastest Wi-Fi. Better than Dunkin', better than McDonald's. The next issue is finding the books. So when sourcing on the road, it's a double-edged sword. You have the leverage of being anywhere. You have the leverage of going places where other resellers would not dream of going. You know, when you pull off, let's say you're taking 40 across America, you can pull off in some super small town and source it. No one's ever hit that up. That's leverage right there. At the same time, the disadvantage you have is you don't know if the place you're going to is gonna suck. So you could be hitting some dude's, town up or city, and he's already ran through everything. And maybe you're going to the Goodwill that he hasn't been to in 2 years because it sucks, because there's no profit there. So a rule of thumb when being on the road and sourcing is map out your route. There's a link in my bio. It's a free link. And I actually don't know how to get to that link. I actually go through that link in my bio just because it's citydata.com, but it takes you to this really cool map. And that link will take you to that map, and it's a wealth map of America. So click on that link, or find one on Google, some wealth map, but it's citydata.com, and go to the purple areas. The purple areas are the wealthy places. Go to those, and general rule of thumb is bang these places out. Like, don't linger in areas. If somewhere sucks, bounce to another county, bounce to another state. Like, you have that luxury. Just keep going, But yeah, I mean, that's what it comes down to. Just find more books. Find more books, baby.